Hello everyone, myself Srimati Kazi A.H., Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Sirampur. Today we will discuss about the 12th standard. The chapter name is Solutions. Firstly, in solution, we say what is the definition of solution? What do you mean by solution? Solution means it is the homogeneous mixture of two or more pure components or pure substances. It is the homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances. In solution, there is only two components. First one is the solute and another is the solvent. These two components combine together to form the solution. Solution, it is the homogeneous mixture of two components. First component is the solute and second component is the solvent to form the solution. In which firstly we say what is meant by solute. What is the definition of solute? The component which is present in smaller amount or less amount, it is called as the solute, and the component which is present in larger amount, which is called as the solvent. Solute which is present in solution in the form of less amount, and solvent in the form of larger amount to form the solution. Okay. We see the for example of solution. When we say about salt solution, in salt solution the solute is salt which is dissolved in solvent water to form the solution. It is the salt solution. Salt solution which is prepared from salt which is dissolved in solvent water. Salt is the solute which is dissolved in solvent water to form the salt solution. Okay. Then next, there are the three types of solution. There are three types of solution. The three types of solution which are classified on the basis of the physical state of solvent. Physical state of solvent. When the solvent is in the form of liquid state, solvent in the form of liquid state, the three types of solutions are classified. We see one by one. First type of solution which is the solid solution. Next is it is the second is liquid solution, and third is it is the gaseous solution. These three types which are classified on the basis of physical state of solvent which is liquid. Okay. We see one by one. First one is the solid solution. Solid solution which is further classified into three types. First one is the solid in solid. Solid in solid. That means solid is the solute in solid, and this is the solid is the solvent. Solid solute dissolve in liquid solvent to form the solid solution. And which type of solid solution? Solid in solid. And what is the example of solid in solid? Its example is alloys like brass, bronze. Alloy like brass, bronze, etc. Okay. Then next, second type of solid solution, which is the liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. In this, liquid is the solute and solid is the solvent. And liquid in solid, what is the example of liquid in solid? Its example is amalgam of mercury with sodium metal. Amalgam of mercury with sodium metal. See here, amalgam of mercury, mercury it is in the liquid state, it is the solid, and sodium metal it is the amalgam of mercury, it is the liquid, and sodium metal it is the solid. Okay. Then third type of solid solution is gas in solid. Gas in solid. And its example is, for example, hydrogen gas which is deposited on platinum or palladium metal. Hydrogen gas on palladium metal. Solid solution, which are three types: solid in solid, then liquid in solid, and gas in solid. Okay. Then next type of solution, it is the liquid solution. In liquid solution also we see the three types. First one is the, in liquid solution, it is the solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. In this solid in liquid, we know that the example is sugar is dissolved in water. Sugar in water or salt in water. For example, sugar in water. In this sugar solute, it is in the form of solid state, and water, it is the solvent in the liquid state. Then second type of liquid solution, which is the liquid in liquid. Liquid in liquid. Solute and solvent both are in liquid state. What is the example of this? It is the ethyl alcohol in water. Ethyl alcohol in water. Ethyl alcohol in liquid state, and also solvent, water, it is also liquid state. This type of solution, it is the liquid in liquid. Its example is ethyl alcohol in water. Next, C type of liquid solution, it is the gas in liquid. Gas in liquid. In this, gas is the solute and liquid is the solvent. What is the example of this? In which oxygen, dissolved oxygen or dissolved carbon dioxide in water, O2 in water, and also carbon dioxide, CO2 in water. O2 and CO2, which are the gases which are dissolved in liquid, that is the water. Okay, it is the example of gas in liquid. Okay, see here, liquid solution, which are three types: solid in liquid, its example is sugar in water; liquid in liquid, its example is ethyl alcohol in water; and next is the gas in liquid, that is the example of this is O2, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas, which is dissolved in water. Okay, next third type of solution, it is the gaseous solution. In this gaseous solution, there are this gaseous solution which is further classified into three types. First one is the gas, solid in gas. Solid in gas. Its meaning, solid is a solute substance and gas is the solvent component. Okay, so first type of gaseous solution is solid in gas, and its example is iodine in air. Iodine in air. Iodine is the solid form which is vaporized into the air. Air is the gas. Okay, next is liquid in gas. Third type of gaseous solution is liquid in gas. What is the example of this? In liquid in gas, chloroform in nitrogen gas. Chloroform in nitrogen gas. See here, chloroform, it is in the form of liquid state which is in gaseous, which is in nitrogen gas, that is in solvent is gas, and it is the example of liquid in gas. It is the chloroform in nitrogen gas. Next, third type of gaseous solution is, it is the gas in gas. It is the gas in gas. Both components, solute and solvent, both component in the form of gaseous state, and its example we know, well known example, it is the air. Air is the mixture of gases, oxygen, nitrogen. These are the gases which are present in air, and it is the air is the homogeneous mixture which is the gaseous solution, and it is the gas in gas. Okay, further we see here three types of solution. Solid solution, there are three types: solid in solid, liquid in solid, gas in solid. Liquid solutions are further three types: solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, gas in liquid. And gaseous solutions are further three types: solid in gas, liquid in gas, gas in gas. And these three types of solutions combine together to form the 9 types of solution. How many types? There are 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 types of solution. Okay.